Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into the world of printing with a focus on one essential item: toner cartridges. Specifically, we'll be exploring the KCMYTONER 125 CRG125 compatible toner cartridge replacement for Canon 125 black toner cartridge. Renowned for its compatibility and performance with the Canon MF3010 printer. Let's delve into what makes this product stand out from the crowd. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's establish why the KCMYTONER 125 CRG125 stands out as the best toner for the Canon MF3010 printer. As you may know, finding the perfect toner cartridge can be a daunting task, but fear not. This two-pack toner replacement has been meticulously crafted to ensure seamless compatibility and exceptional performance with your Canon printer, delivering crisp, high-quality prints with every use. Now, let's highlight some key features that set this toner cartridge apart. Firstly, compatibility. The KCMYTONER 125 CRG125 is specifically designed to work flawlessly with a range of Canon printers, including the image class MF3010, 6000 Lebanese pound series, and more. This ensures hassle-free installation and consistent print quality, no matter your printing needs. Additionally, this toner cartridge boasts an impressive page yield of up to 1,600 pages per cartridge, based on 5% coverage on A4 paper. This means you can tackle large printing projects with confidence, knowing you won't be running out of toner anytime soon. Now, let's talk about print performance. The KCMYTONER 125 CRG125 consistently delivers sharp text, bold blacks, and crisp graphics, ensuring your documents and images look professional every time. Say goodbye to smudges and streaks. This toner cartridge is engineered for optimal print clarity and longevity. Ease of use is another area where the KCMYTONER 125 CRG125 excels. Installation is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. Simply insert the cartridge into your Canon printer, and you're ready to start printing. Plus, with its long-lasting performance and resistance to fading, you can rely on this toner cartridge to deliver consistent results, print after print. In conclusion, the KCMYTONER 125 CRG125 compatible toner cartridge replacement for Canon 125 black toner cartridge is undoubtedly the best choice for your Canon MF3010 printer. With its seamless compatibility, exceptional print quality, and user-friendly design, it's the perfect solution for all your printing needs. Say goodbye to subpar prints and hello to professional quality documents. All thanks to KCMYTONER. That wraps up our review of the KCMYTONER 125 CRG125 compatible toner cartridge replacement for Canon 125 black toner cartridge. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Until next time, happy printing!